So we can conclude that the message given in the poem is very ominous and scary. Ominous is an adjective, and it means to suggest in a worrying manner that something bad is going to happen. So we can feel the ominous and scary tone of the poem, and the poet has been able to put forward this brilliantly by employing a particular rhythm in the lines. If you notice, we have also discussed this earlier, that there is a particular rhythm, like by the use of the words no, by the repetition of the word no, there is a particular rhythm being formed in the poem. So what the poet is trying to tell us, that we as a human being, we can live and adapt to any sort of climate, and we can overcome all the obstacles which are faced by other creatures, but we have a terrible power to kill off other creatures. So at the same time, we can also be beneficial if we want it. If we want, we can be beneficial to our environment, but at the same time we have the equal tendency to become harmful and destructive for the environment around us. So what the poet is telling, that the presence of this stranger, this intruder, is a great danger to their existence. And the newcomer is very strange in appearance. It has nothing similar in physical appearance as compared to the other animals. And what this man is doing, the arrival of this human being, is only bringing destruction. It is only bringing a harm to the environment, and it is doing nothing else. So you can say that this poem is just like a mirror to us. We can see our real face, our reality in this mirror, that how destructive we are, or how destructive we can be to the environment around us.